Hello students, so this is the third lesson of 7th standard data handling. So till now we have studied the integers and fractions and decimals. So how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, how to divide, that all operations we have studied about the different kinds of numbers, that is integers, fractions and decimals. So here is one more concept, data handling. So it is based on the arrangements of the data. See, usually in a daily life we are observing the numbers of a very number of list. For example, like in a school, the result of a first standard to 10th standard. So if you are observing who is the highest in first standard, who is the lowest in second standard, that all you have can easily find or not. See, when you list out the mark list with a name, then only you can identify which is highest, which is the lowest. In the same way, that arrangement is called as a data. That we are written the name with respect to marks, that is called as a data. This all you have studied in a previous class. Just now I am revising you all. So that in that data we are choosing something highest and lowest, and it is in the middle, average we can call. So it is the first one is range. The range is the difference between the highest and lowest observation. Just now I said no, who got the highest marks in first standard, who got lowest marks in the first standard, that all the difference if you've taken, that will get a range here. For example, if it is the highest marks is out of 100 you can take, okay, out of 100 80 highest, lowest is a 20 if you can take. So just to subtract it, what is the answer? 60. So 60 is the range of the first standard result. Like that you can identify. So now another, the three tendency of observation will come. The central tendencies we can call those are mean, median and mode. The three central tendencies are mean, median, mode. So what does it mean? The mean, it indicates average. Average means the most common representative value of a group of data is the arithmetic mean. This mean we can call as arithmetic mean or just mean, or a number that represents or shows the central tendency of group of observation or the data. See, mean means, just now I have explained the highest and lowest. See, if you are arranged the mean, see, first I'll take the 5 students marks. First marks he got 50, and the second one 35, third one 80, and fifth one 75, and fourth one 75, fifth one is a 40 you can consider. The mean means if you add all the marks divided by how many students we have taken, 5. So that it is called as average. That is nothing but, see, first 150, 35, 80, 75, 40. See, all 5 students got a different marks here. If we are distributing equal marks here for all the 5, that will be the average. Okay, that will be the average we can take. Okay. Next one, mode. Mode means highest repeatedly the observation. Means in the marks list, that only I am taking the example, general example, not only marks, it may be the salary list, it may be the amount, expensive, that all kind will come. Here's the sentence, the mode of set of observation is the observation that occurs most often. See, in a mark list, if you are considering what is the marks highestly the students are taken. If the students are taken 40 only highest, means 40 students out of 20 students, out of 20 students, 15, not 15, you can take 10 students got a 40 each. That means this 40 is a mode. Okay, highestly repeated observation we can take. Okay, highestly repeated. It may be twice, thrice, which is the highest repeated. Then median. Median means the word it indicates only the middle number. So we have to arrange the mark list. So just I have taken the mark list only the example. So first marks we have to arrange in a ascending order or in a descending order we have to choose. And at that time, okay, at that time what will come? Some observation list will come, that data representation will come. Add there which is the central marks, which is the exactly center or middle score, that we can take as a median. Okay, without calculation mode and mid we can calculate. But if you want to find the median, we have to arrange the data in a increasing and decreasing order. Here is the sentence: median is the value which lies in the middle of the data when arranged in an increasing or decreasing order. So I hope you understand the mean median mode is very important to find the data handling. See, mean it varies. We can find using the average, which is the common number, common representative to the all the group of the data. Mode means which is the highest marks, not highest marks, highestly repeated. So number of times, more number of times repeated, which is the score, that is the mode. If the median means what is the exactly center number of data. So that all is very important to handle the data here. So I'll take the examples of those. Exercise 3.1, 3.2 together itself here, because to find a mean, median, mode. How? See, first 3.1 second question I have chosen. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. See, we have to arrange the numbers first. See, these are the marks: 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 4, 2, 5, 1, 9. These all the till 7 they are given. So in this, the questions also they are asking. Which is that question? First one. So first question is that organize the following marks in class assessment. So first we have to arrange the data. See, arranging means first we have to arrange in ascending or descending order. Okay, that we can take in the table. So 1, 2, 3 numbers or marks of numbers. So 1 marks, 2 marks. See, all are 1 digit numbers only. So I have taken 1 to 9 only are the marks, means we have chosen to take the 1, 2, 3 to till 9. It is increasing order. They are written in a increasing order. These are the marks. Now see, 4, 1, 2, 3 times is repeated, isn't it? So what we have to do is, that is repeatedly we should not write in the marks table. What we can do? We can take it as a tally marks. That tally marks, or we can call as a frequency also, but tally marks represents only line representations. Okay. Tally marks means how many times it is repeated. Okay. 1, how many times is there? Only 1 time here. So 1 time. 2, how many times? 2, 1, 2, 2 times. Okay. 3, how many times? 1, only 1 time. Okay. And 4, how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, 3 times. Like this, the tally marks we are written here. 5, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So see how in the tally marks rules is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 after we should not write another tally to that. Just cross that. It is a set of 5 tally. If you have got again numbers, we can take another set there. Okay. That you have to understand in a tally. This all you have studied in a previous class itself. Now these all I have taken in a tally marks. Now this, how many tally marks here? Only one. It is 2, it is 1, it is 3, it is 5, it is 4, it is 2, it is 1, 1. So this we can take in as a frequency. Okay, tally marks means only lines, because 1 we cannot write easily. Okay, like that. So now we are arranged in a tabular form by increasing order with a tally marks or frequency. That means frequency is nothing but number of students got marks. 1 marks, how many students got? 1. 2 marks, 2 students got. 3 marks, 1 student got. 4 marks, 3 students got. Like this. That is the meaning. Now see the first question. Which number is the highest? We have to see the frequency. Highest means number of repetitions. Which number is highest? Which number is highest? See, which is highestly repeated, they are not asked. We should not see the frequency. Which high marks is highest? Is it not 9? So then highest number is 9. Which is a second question is, which is second question? Which number of the lowest? Lowest is marks is 1. What is the range? Range means just now I have explained. Highest to lowest subtraction. That is range is 8. Okay. Then find the arithmetic mean. Okay. Find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means sum of all the students. Sum of the students got marks, that divided by the number of students. See all 1, 2, 3, 4 are there, but directly you can take these numbers to add. So how many students are there? 20. So adding all the marks divided by 20. So if you add all the marks, 100 marks you will got, divided by 20 is 5. So this is nothing but the mean. Okay. Sum of all the data divided by number of datas is nothing but arithmetic mean. So here third question, find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. See, in the question there are not given any numbers or datas. Here we have to find first 5 whole numbers. See, first 5 whole numbers means first find the whole numbers, which are the whole numbers here. Which are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and all. Okay. They are taken to tell that first 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these only we have to consider. Okay. That means we have to consider the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, are the 5. Find the mean means we have to add all. Add all divided by how many numbers? 5 numbers. So sum of the numbers divided by total number. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 divided by 5. We'll get a 2 as a mean. Okay. This is how we have to take the addition. Okay. Here the first 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, mean of first 5 whole numbers is sum of the numbers divided by total. Then the mean of first 5 whole numbers is 5. Next question. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. 4 games. So which are the 4 games? For game 1, 2, 3, 4 they are mentioned. But the players are ABC. Okay. Now answer the following questions. See, find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. Okay. See, average means mean. Just now I have explained it. Average number of points scored per game. Okay. Second question, to find the mean number of points. Mean number of points per game for C. Would you divide the total points by 3 or 4, and why it is? B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? Who is the best performer? These all kind of questions are there. See, average, first question is find the mean of determine A is average. A is average means total number of scored divided by it is number of games he attempted. See, mean means this number scores we have to take. That is 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 divided by how many games are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just divide by the number of games. So 16 plus 14 plus 16, 20. Sorry, 30. 30 plus 1, 40. 40 plus 1, 50. So 50 divided by 4. If you divide by this, 12.5 will come. Okay. This 12.5 is nothing but the average of player A. This is the average, means that 12.5 we can distribute to all the games. That means next to find the mean number of points per game for C. Would you divide by the total points by 3 or 4? See, we have to consider the player B. If you want to find the mean of the B, will you divide by 3 or 4? They are asking. See, B got in a first game 0. Okay. Second by sorry, we have to see the C person C. Okay. C game for 1, 8, 2, 11. But he didn't play the third, means we should not consider the third game. Okay. We should not consider the third game. That means he want to play only 3, means we should divide by 3. So we should divide the total points by 3 because the player C played only 3 games, not third game. Okay, then just that is the answer. Then the next question, B played in all the 4 games. Yes. How would you find the mean? Yes, total number of the score divided by 4. Here, player B played in all the 4 games. Mean of B is sum of the scores by B, that is 0, 8, 6, 4 divided by 4, that is 18 by 4 is equal to 4.5 if you divide those. Next, who is the best performer? See, how will you find the best performance? That is nothing but we have to see the mean of A, B, C. See, mean of A is 12.4, mean of C we have not calculated, but B is 4.5, but C we have to find. How? 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 3, just do it like that. So this is 32 by 3, that is equal to 10.67. So we have to consider these 3. Which is the highest average? That will be the best performer. So in this 12.5, 4.5, 10.65. So 12.5 is the highest. So therefore, on comparing the means of all players, player A is the best performer, we can say. I hope you understand. Now I have chosen the example from the 3.2. So the question is, the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. See, 3.2 exercise is depends on the mean, median and mode. Also mean they are asked here. So 6, 15, 120, 15, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. These are the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players. Find the mean, mode and median. Are they same? Are the three same? Here all the types the questions asked means to find mean, mode, median. First we have to find the mean. Mean means sum of all the scores divided by the number of cricket players. Sum of observation, the formula we have written here, mean is equal to sum of the score we can write, or marks score only we can write, observation also we can write. Number of observation means or number of cricket players also we can write here. So we are adding the all the numbers, all the scores divided by total number of players are 11 divided by 11. So 429 divided by 11 is 39. So mean is 39. Then the question is mode. Mode means what? Highestly repeated score. Highestly repeated score. Which is the highestly repeated? We have to arrange the numbers first. So, okay. So arranging the numbers. By arranging numbers, see which is the highestly 10 2 times repeated. Okay. And but 15 is 3 times. Okay. Here 10 2 times. 15 3 times. Which is highest? So this is. So 3 times is the highest. So which is the number 3 times? 15. So that 15 score is the mode of the given score. Then median. Median means at the exactly center. Exactly center. Which is the high? Exactly center. Total is 11. Okay. We can, however you can count. Exactly center, which is, we can take the 1 2 3 4 5, leave here 5. 1 2 3 4 5, leave here 5, which is the center, remaining 15. So 15 is a median. Okay, this is how also we can calculate, or sometimes directly if you want to calculate the median means total number of players are 11. So this is the odd, that's why 1 I'll add to that. So divided by 2. 12 by 2 means 6. So sixth score is the median, which is that 1 2 3 4 5 6. So sixth is the median, or by like this also we can calculate. Okay, by reverse. 1 2 3 4 5 6. That number only will come. If it is even number, directly calculate. If it is a 12 only the players means just divide it 6. Okay, like this. One more question they ask, are the three same? No, because even though median and mode is same, but the mean is different. So these all are different. So this is all about the mean, median, mode. So remaining examples we have to solve as a homework. Okay, thank you students.